Hello everyone, we are Team Dynamic QA, and in today's video we will be looking at what is sanity testing and what is smoke testing. So you might be come across these terms very frequently during your QA time, or might be if you are looking for the QA job, so these terms will really trouble you during interviews and during your production time. So without going to further delay, let's begin that. To understand what are these terms. First, what is smoke testing? Let's understand that what is smoke testing. So whenever the software build that is released by the development team to the QA team, so we directly do not begin the testing. We first check that whether build is stable and testable. So to perform this task, what we do, we select the core or the high priority test cases for the core functionalities. And as per the test cases, we execute, or we may check without test cases all the core functionalities in the build. So if the major functionalities are working fine, that means the build is stable and we can go for further testing. So if the core functionalities are breaking down, that means that build is having some issue and this build will be rolled back to the development team. So you may refer these terms, and these are further details about the smoke testing on your screen. And the next part is sanity testing. In sanity also, the when the build gets released from the development team, it's either by the adding new functionality to the build or might be by fixing the bugs. So if fixing the bugs, then as soon as the build received, we check the fixed items properly, that this fixing have not introduced a new issues or new bugs in the build. And for the new functionalities that added, we again check that after adding these functionalities, the existing functionalities are working fine. So that's again a random and random testing. So there's no test cases associated here, and this is a type of regression testing, or we may call it as a subset of regression testing. So I have created a tabular data for these two terms in comparative way that may help you to understand these terms. You may refer these terms on your screen now. And again, the quick recap that in smoke testing, after build release to, like when we perform smoke testing, it's as soon as the build release from the development team, the QA team. And what we do, we select high priority test cases, we test the core functionalities of application, and when we compare this to the sanity testing, in sanity part the bug fixes and core functionalities are verified. So I hope that after watching these terms, you will be having very clear idea about these two terms and you will get proper skill. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel on YouTube. Thank you from Dynamic QA team. Thanks.